Okay, last month we showed you the Dell Studio XPS 13 and this month we have the Dell Studio XPS 16-inch version of the same thing. So let's the packaging is quite similar to the previous one. Yeah, the same ports as the 13, slot loading optical drive, you have a combination port here, eSATA and USB, your card reader, firewire. On the side you have your VGA, Ethernet, you have a new standard display port, HDMI port, USB, and again you have the dual headphone as well as single microphone out. Okay, what else is in the box? We have the Windows Vista Ultimate 32-bit edition. Microsoft Works 09. Dell adapter. That cable. That's all that's there from Dell. So we get to mess around with the laptop, and you can visit thindigit.com.